Tinolang Tahong. Ingredients: 1 kilo, mussels, 1 bunch, spinach leaves, 1 pieces, onion, sliced, 1 pieces, ginger, sliced, 5 cloves, garlic, 2 tablespoons, cooking oil, 4 cups, water, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, ground black pepper. Cooking procedure: heat a cooking pot and pour in cooking oil. Sauté garlic, onion and ginger. Then add the mussels, cook for a minute. After in a minute, pour in water and let boil. Then add salt and pepper. Stir and cook for 9 to 12 minutes. Put in the spinach, turn the heat off, and cover the pot. Let go cook spinach, using the remaining heat in the pot. Thank you for watching. Sinigang na baboy. Ingredients: 1 and 1/2 kilo pork belly with bone,